Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a DIY cardboard vending machine out of a shoebox. So first you're going to get yourself a shoebox and then you're going to paint it. If you don't have any paint, you could also cover it with paper. This is my box all painted. Okay, so now we're gonna trace out the window. Then we're gonna trace out the price lot. And then the coin slit. And then you're gonna grab yourself a plastic bottle and trace the cap in this area. And now we're going to cut through all of the lines that we traced out. Okay, now you're going to get yourself some cardboard and you're going to trace out where the water bottle will be. And then we're going to cut through these two lines. Now with these two pieces of cardboard, we're going to put them in this area. Okay, so now you're going to get yourself some plastic wrap and hot glue onto the window area. Here I started to hot glue the cardboard pieces. Here I grabbed another piece of cardboard and I started hot gluing it in the coin area, so when the coins fall down, they don't fall into the prize slot. Now with the same plastic bottle we used to trace the cap out, we're going to put it through the hole and then we're going to trace out where the cardboard meets the plastic bottle. Then we're going to cut where the line is. Now we're going to cut into the water bottle like this. And then put the water bottle back into the hole. And now it's time to decorate. This is how I decided to decorate mine, but you could decorate yours however you want.